couple of really interesting points from this trade. One of which is, even when you're at your level, John, master trader, we
Hmm.
still can fall victim to our not the best decisions, right?
Yeah.
But you didn't beat yourself up, get frustrated, compound the problem, which is easy to do. You did your best to deal with the situation that you were given live. The other point I think that's good to raise is we've obviously all been there and continue to be there, right? Because that's the
Hmm.
challenges of trading. But you learn the most when you debrief a trade like this, not only from the tactical maneuvers that you make, but just like you did, retracing your thought process, where the poor decisions were made and where better decisions could have been made. So now, instead of looking at this like kicking yourself and saying, I missed out on X number of dollars and I'm going to double down on the next trade and make it all back, you're reframing this and saying, this is a great learning moment. I'm a better trader now that I went back and debriefed this and learned where I could have, made this a much easier trade. So, I guess what I'm saying is instead of framing this as a negative experience, it's really a positive experience. You came out a better trader.